Hi guys, CES 2026, here with Dr Temi and the latest Dr Temis. So we're going to go through the product, just to explain what this robot's around and its capabilities and uses. This is sort of the new generation of telepresence robots, telehealth robots that are going to go into the market shortly, care homes, hospitals and a full mixture. Dr Temi, if you can give us an overview probably about yourself to start with, okay. and then we can go into the robots. Yeah.
My name is Dr. Temi. I'm an internal medicine physician. I'm also a physical medicine and rehabilitation specialist. I practice medicine in United States, New York specifically. In 2018, we started looking for a solution to a big problem.
Yeah.
And that big problem is, how do we get to the bedside of the patient? How do we multiply the provider? How do we multiply the provider counts so that the provider can utilize their travel time to see patients and bridge the gap in terms of getting to the bedside?
Yeah.
So we started looking for robotics. So we joined Temi robot. We started using the robots, and we partner with them to make sure that we can deliver the best robotic to the bedside of the patient. In 2020, we partner with them. Fast forward to 2026, we've developed awesome machines. Right now, we have 200 robots in about 102 nursing homes in the United States. We're about to deploy 3,000 robots across the United States by the end of 2027 to provide, awesome, access to patient, reduce the provider to patient time from 4 hours to 3 to 5 minutes.
Wow.
So that's really the essence of Dr. Temi products.
Yeah, and that's it. I suppose that's it. Yeah, I mean, to really create it as a useful product and not a gimmick, a robot that can actually do something, a robot that can actually provide a service. What would be quite good to understand is actually what the robot can do. If you can take us through the different tools, if that's okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So this is 2025 robot.
Yep.
So the robot has apps on top of it. It has patient monitor. This patient monitor is an ICU grade patient monitor.
Right.
It can do vitals continuously, continuous temperature, continuous oximetry, and continuous pulses, and 5-lead EKG,
Okay.
real time. And the provider on the other side can see all those things while it's being done, can direct the person who's doing it at the bedside. So you don't need an experienced person to even help at the bedside. You just need somebody who can follow the instruction, because the provider who's going to show up on the robot is going to be explaining to them what to do and how to do it.
Yeah.
So the patient monitor is there. We have the blood pressure cuff.
Yep.
We have the stethoscope.
Yep.
Right, to listen to the patient's lung real time. It's a digital stethoscope that can be amplified on the other side. We have the EKG. This is a 5-lead EKG.
Yep.
With the temperature sensors real time. So this is 2025.
Okay.
And right now, we are expanding rapidly, because this is the only autonomous telemedicine platform in the United States.
Wow.
As a matter of fact, in the world,
Yep.
nobody has done it yet. The next company trying to do this is 5 years away.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah.
It is almost like Tesla when it comes to navigation.
Yeah.
Autonomous, 100% obstacle avoidance, and it's being used all over the country already.
That's right.
We're already in 14 states in the United States.
Yeah. That's right. I mean, and that's the advantage with the Temi robots. Their LiDAR system, their safety scanner system is designed for autonomous mobility, as long as it's in the flat service, and it's very well proven. So we've got them in hospitals, care homes, schools already, and a full mixture of different types of end user applications. It's interesting to hear that obviously the best way to use these robots is with a partner on the other side. So the robot can go to the bedside, but then someone can dial in and actually see the stats and help the patient. Is that how it works?
Well,
3 to 5
I mean,
versus hours.
first of all, you need somebody at the bedside only when it is time to put the stethoscope on the patient.
Yeah.
That's the only time.
Yeah.
So the time that you need somebody at the bedside is about
I could take
5 minutes.
Yeah.
You know, out of a 15 minutes or 20 minutes visit. So when you're talking to the patient, you take the history. You know, when you're ready to examine them, you're already examining the patient as soon as you start talking to the patient, right? So you can get an idea of what is going on. Then when it's time to put your hand on the patient, that's when you need somebody. You know, they put the stethoscope, they apply the blood pressure cuff, they put a pulse oximeter, and I can actually start the blood pressure remotely.
Right. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So that's the beauty of it. I control everything.
Yeah.
So I don't need a trained personnel at the bedside. I need a family member
Yeah.
or a certified nursing assistant or medical assistant.
Yeah.
I don't need a trained nurse.
Right.
You know, because we know they're very expensive. We know they're not available.
Yeah.
So that's why we control it at the other side, not the other way around.
Right. Yeah. That makes sense. I say okay. So this is the current model, but we got the new model coming out.
This is the 2026 model.
Yeah.
And the 2026 model takes the patient monitor and put it inside the robot.
Oh, I see. So we've got that monitor now going in. Right. Okay.
Excellent. So now everything is on the back now.
Yep. Light will have.
Easy to install.
Very
easy
nice.
to disconnect.
Yep.
The pulse oximeter. And then you just pull and it goes back in.
Nice.
The
Nice and
temperature,
tidy, yeah.
you just pull and it goes back in.
Very tidy, yeah.
kg, you pull and you go back in.
It's a nice tidy unit. Instead of having
Correct.
wires all over the place.
Yes.
Yeah.
Same thing with the stethoscope.
Nice.
With the stethoscope,
Yeah.
you listen to the heart, you listen to the lungs, and then you pull and it goes back in.
Right. Okay.
Okay? So that's what we do
Yeah.
to make sure that we get all this in a place where the nurses can have access to you. They can use it real time without, looking for anything.
Yeah. It's nice and it's a nice compact unit.
Right.
It's been tidied up. Yeah. No. I think that's great. I'll just turn it around again quickly. So yeah. No. I think that's. I think it's a great overview. So. Really, so this one, these robots are available now.
Yes.
So 25 version, and obviously the new model was coming out shortly. And no, I think that's a great overview. It gives us an understanding of technology for the telehealth. So no, perfect. So thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'll
Cool.
see you again. Thank you.